Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be installing this V-part wig. So I have yet to wear one of these. I think the last time I installed something like this was 2016 or 2015, something like that. Child, I do not remember, but all I know, it's been years since I've worn a leave out, so this is definitely new to me, and I'm excited to see like what I could do with this wig other than just this. This is super versatile. You could do no leave out, you could do it with leave out, you could do a side part. Girl, you could use this for a ponytail, you could use it for a half up, half down. The options are endless. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling because you get the gist, you get the vibes. It's a V-part wig. Watch me install and curl this gorgeous unit from Beauty Forever. If you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And let's jump into the tutorial. So this is my pattern. I just have my leave out, the rest in a ponytail in the back, and you know, my edges out, my sideburns out. The wig has a whole bunch of clips in it, so it's super secure, and clips in the back to tighten it. So what you're gonna do is just install your gorgeous V-part wig by just snapping it on to your hair and securing it in place. not done something like this since 2016, so this is definitely gonna take some getting used to, because you know it's not a frontal, it's not like me laying edges that are already straight, it's me laying my actual baby hairs edges. And child, it took a long time, so I did not record that, but I did record putting it on because it was so easy to do. All you have to do is just part your hair out, do the stuff, and that's it. So if you are like somebody who likes to wear sew-ins, or like to wear sew-ins pretty much, this is the wig for you. This is a wig that you do when you don't want to buy bundles. This is already bundles sewn onto a cap. All you have to do is have them braid your leave out down, or put your hair in a low bun and leave your leave out, leave your edges, put it on top. You could sew this wig on like the sides, the back, the perimeter pretty much, but this is it. I'm getting used to it. I like it. It's cute or whatever. And yeah, I feel like when I learn to like lay it properly, it'll look way better. But right now she's okay, she's cute or whatever. And this wig is from Beauty Forever, super duper reasonably priced, super affordable. Like, it's not too thick to where you're like, oh my god, I cannot do this. It's really manageable and easy hair. It was easy to install. 1 2 3, literally like 2 minutes. And if you want to curl it pre-hand, that I would definitely recommend. But so far so good. Like, it's blending with my leave out well. It's okay. I like it. So that is it for today's video. If you'd like to purchase this gorgeous V-part wig from Beauty Forever, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you lovely ladies in my next one.